Okay, so I want to show everybody how to create a JavaScript 30 account with WestBoss. So the easiest way to probably do this, if my computer decides to work. Actually, I'm going to do this in incognito because it's probably going to remember me and I don't want it to remember me. So right click. Right click. Evidently right click doesn't work on here. Right click. Right click. There we go. New incognito window. So JavaScript 30. And this, for me, is the very first one, but it is javascript30.com. So what you're going to do is start the challenge today. I was telling people to go to my account because that's how I go to it, but let's start with this one because some students said that this worked better for them. So let's do this. Let's see if I don't know if I have an account with that. So get a confirmation. So I don't know if you saw that. I just basically put an email in that box. Let's see. I got a confirmation in my email. I'm looking on my phone. Access this course. And because I already have another account, it's saying, hey, you already got another account. Yeah, but that's how you should be able to access it. Let's see. So who is this video? Who is this for? It's beginner to intermediate and developers and designers who want to become comfortable with both JavaScript fundamentals and working in the DOM without a library. You should already know some JavaScript to start. This isn't a JavaScript 101. We learned by application, encountering many new situations while talking about hows, the whys, and the whats, and how that we use to solve them. So, so it is free. One of the reasons that I like to use things like this is because, you know, he says he spent over 300 hours, and I think you can tell that. It's very well done as well, you know, compared to mine. But I just don't have the time to devote to things like this. So this is a way that we supplement some of our learning, and it's a good resource, in my personal opinion, for you in the future as well. Because he's got other programs and other courses, and some cost, some don't. So I'm going to my account. I'm going to sign up with my email. So this is JavaScript 30. So we access this course. And I would recommend watching the Getting Set Up. So we're going to watch this.
Everybody, all right, let's get rolling. I sure hope you're really excited about JavaScript 30. A couple things I need to talk to you about before we get going. First, you need to download the starter files. You can get those in your account dashboard. That's how you got these videos on javascript30.com account. And then we also need a modern browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox. Any of those are going to be supporting all of the code that we write in this. We're going to be writing a lot of ES6 stuff, so make sure it is up to date. Other than that, there's no like compilers or anything that we need to get set up. There's no tooling chain involved. All you need to do is right-click, open in browser. For most of these, a couple of them, like the webcam and the microphone, they have like security. You can't open them up on a file. You need like a local host server. We'll cover that in those videos. Not a big deal. Let's see what else we got here. A couple things. You're welcome to take the course at any pace that you like. The videos range from 10 minutes up to half an hour, and really the thing I want you to do is to try carve out some time every single day. You may do more in one day if you've got a bunch of time available, but that sort of habit of, oh, I've got lunch, or I've got 20 minutes, I've got half an hour here, or I'm on the subway, I should watch a video really quickly. That's the habit that I want you to get into, where you can just tackle something and finish it within an hour or so, or half an hour, depending on how long the actual video is. Second, people learn in different ways. So there's three major ways that you might want to watch these videos. First, you might just want to watch them entirely and then try to build the things that were done. Some people prefer to sit back, watch it on the subway, something like that. Other people like to see what we're going to build, pause it, and then try to build what we are without seeing the video at all, and then going back to the video if they need help or seeing how I've done it. And then third, other people, and this is how I like to learn, I like to build at the same time as we are going through a video. So we build a little piece, pause it, try to build it yourself, try to do it at the same pace that I'm doing it. Figure out what way that you learn best, because that's really going to help you out. Second, there are 1,001 ways to complete these. The way I do it is not necessarily the best way. It's just one way. So if you come about it a different way, totally fine. Don't worry about it. I've intentionally stayed away from design patterns, classes, closures, any course, any type of framework. These things are really good, but I just want to stay away from any opinionated stuff like that and really just get down to understanding what is going on. You're welcome to implement it in any of your in any which way that you want. Third, don't reach for jQuery, Lodash, underscore, boppity boop, any framework that you're used to, even though you think like, oh, Lodash has a handy little method on it. Those things are great, but everything in this course can be done with just plain JavaScript. Nothing else is needed for that. Finally, grab a friend, accountability buddy, someone who you can do this course with. It's going to be helpful if you have a friend that you can bounce questions off, chat about what's going on in the course, all that good stuff. If you don't have a friend, you don't have someone close to you or someone online that you can chat with, go on Twitter and hashtag JavaScript30. Ask for someone that's willing to sort of team up with you. I think that you'll get the most out of this course if you have a friend that's going to be doing it. People who have taken one of my paid premium courses before, we have a Slack chat for you. You can join in on that. Other than that, that's it. Go hit the videos. Enjoy day one.
Okay. So I just want to reiterate some of the things that he said. You know, it is a learning process, and it's meant to be a learning process. So not to get too frustrated in regards to, you know, if this style's not working for you. You just got to find a way that works best for you in regards to learning something new. And it's practice. He said like that, you know, if you have a half hour, if you have an hour, you know, there's a lot of different fun things that he's got going on here. That's all for free. And just getting in the practice of creating projects every day. So the one we're going to actually do for the assignment was array cardio one. And I'm going to stop this video right here, and I'll be working on the next video here shortly.